Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to activate Spatial Sound or Dolby Atmos in Windows 11 or 10. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, right-click on your Start menu. Now click on Settings. Go ahead and go to the top left, click on System. And then here, just click on Sound. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down and find, make sure, by the way, mono audio right here is turned off. Okay, and then after that, click on, under Advanced, we have here all sound devices. Just click on it and go ahead and find your stereo headset, okay? Or it could be your speakers. For example, I have here my headphones. I'm just going to click on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way down until I find Spatial Sound. So when you click on this drop down, we have here Windows Sonic for headphones. Depending on your computer, okay, the support for Dolby Atmos or even Nahimic. Nahimic is what I'm currently using because I have a AMD motherboard. Okay, so if you want to get more, for example, we have here Get More Spatial Sounds app from the Microsoft Store. So just click on it and it will filter out everything that your computer needs. Okay, so if you want to, you can go ahead and use Dolby Access, and Dolby Atmos will be available right here for your headphones. Okay, so just click on Get. Or if you want to use DDS Sound, click on Get, or Boo 3D right here. Just click on Get. And after that, once that's done installing, you're going to go ahead and find it right here in the Spatial Sound section. Just enable one. Or if you can't see it right away, just restart your computer. And after that, go back to the same set of settings. Okay? And that is how you activate Spatial Sound or Dolby Atmos in Windows 11 or 10. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.